seafood okra recipe is going to save you every time because it comes together in 15 minutes. Don't take my word for it. A trial will convince you. Now, in a heated pot, you're going to add in your palm oil and then your roughly blended yellow pepper, red pepper, and onions. You're going to season this with your Gino pepper chicken, and then you're going to go in with your fish. Personally, I prefer to use fresh croaker fish because it elevates the taste of this and it also cooks really quickly. You're going to add a little bit of crayfish to this. Emphasis on a little bit because if you put too much, it's going to make the soup turn black. Now allow this to cook for another 5 minutes, then you go in with the rest of your seafood. For me, I used prawns, crab sticks, and shrimps, but feel free to go in with whatever it is you have readily available or whatever you can afford. Now I'm going to go in with my capital investment okra, which is the first half of the okra that I chop and blend, and then I give this a good mix. Feel free to take the fish out at this point. Personally, I like to see little chunks of fish in my seafood okra, which is why I leave the fish in and I just carefully mix it. Please, carefully mix it. Don't mix it like a thief, okay? With precision. Then I'm going to add in my safety net okra, which is the other half of the okra that I just cut, and I added in my uziza leaves. I gave this a good mix and I tasted for seasoning, and you can see that my okra is ready. This soup came together in 15 minutes and I paired it with pounded yam, and I promise you it was super delicious. Somebody's son that said he did not really want to eat like that actually enjoyed himself with this. So this is a foolproof recipe. You should try it.